Yes, hello everyone. So we're continuing. Today too was a wasted day because I came down. The plumber's not here, and apparently the workers have somewhere to go, which they'll finish tomorrow. So the downside is you really got a little bit left. You really need time. Yeah, every day is very precious. So yeah, they're doing. This is where I told you last time. That's where this thing here. That's what they're doing now. They're doing the platform which they're going to put the concrete. Yeah, so I gotta really have the, you gotta have the. I spoke to my friend yesterday and he was building. He's coming to build in December, and he's saying that he's starting to get them to put all their materials there. And I thought, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Like, like they buy the sand, the stones, the blocks, everything there. He's actually gonna cut his own blocks and work on it while he does the foundation. He says so that as it's drying up, then he uses it. Fair enough. Um, Obviously that means he doesn't trust buying it. He wants to do it himself. But I think yeah, having all the materials that make sense. The major headache will be storage, because if you don't have a secure storage, then you're in problem. So you probably need to speak to some neighbors to see whether um, they will help you with storage. I asked them to put a glass thing here yesterday from across the road, and he came back and told me that if I put glass, they're gonna break it. Fair enough. I didn't. I don't. It now seems obvious now, but it was just to keep like little cleaning stuff there. But yeah, makes sense. So it has to be wood or shutters, which we overestimated for. So I need to call the guy to come and do it. He's reluctant to because it's a bit far, and I could probably get my the fairs guy that did this one here. Hey, hello, boss. This one is a bit weaker than this one, so I thought you can hear the sign, so I changed it. That's why. You can say hello to my neighbor. Yeah, this is where they are. The dust is crazy, man. The dust is crazy. Listen, the mouth. I wish you lot can see the screen. Bare dust everywhere. Yeah, so look at that. I'm just inhaling the thing. I can't believe that people are sitting there without it. Um, Luckily, I'm a bit further away. Someone said to me, "Why didn't I go closer?" I'm glad I didn't, or I would have been in trouble. I did it for the compound, and he said, "Yeah." The next neighbor said he did it, and I said he was smart to build his house at the back, and he said, "Yes, he had a dream in his quiet time." And I thought about it that you mostly get your best ideas when you're calm and quiet early morning. Yeah, let me go and see these people. They're trying to do my water. They're trying to do my water now. So I'm gonna connect my tank for me. Happy.